Hey y'all, I have some really great news for you. Our September idle car maintenance clinic was such a big hit. We are extending it through the month of October at BMW of Bridgewater. In case you missed it last month, our certified factory technicians are going to perform a multi-point inspection, tire scan, battery and brake check, and topping off all your fluids. We will provide you with a findings report and a 20% off discount on all recommended services. The winter is coming up, and I wanted to make sure that your vehicle is ready to go. Give us a call at 908-287-1800 or visit our website at BMWofBridgewater.com to schedule your appointment today. And best of all, we're going to pick up and drop off your car at no additional charge. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.